In this video, I'm going to show you my approach to picking Irish reels. The techniques I play in this video also apply to hornpipes. Note that the picking techniques I show in this video are the same for guitar, tenor banjo and mandolin family instruments. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to use as an example the tune An Sliabh Glas, or the Green Mountain, a 32-bar tune comprising of two 8-bar sections, each repeated, that is AABB. Each bar has 8 quavers, or eighth notes, or something equivalent to that. For example, 6 quavers and a crotchet, also known as a quarter note. There's been quite a debate in Irish music circles about the correct time signature for a reel, whether it's 2/2 or 4/4. I've always used the same system as I encountered in O'Neill's 1001 Fiddle Tunes. 2/2 equates to 2 groups of 4 quavers, whereas 4/4 equates to 4 groups of 2 quavers. It's a subtle difference, but a difference nonetheless. So, where there are 8 quavers in a bar, I play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The first bar, without any ornamentation, would be played like this. There's a couple of pickup notes, and then as you can hear, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. However, in bar 1, I usually insert a triplet on the 3rd note. So all triplets that I play down, up, down for the triplet. And after the triplet, I immediately revert to the normal down, up, down, up, down, up pattern. So for this part, I would play down, up, that's the pickup notes, and then down, up for the first 2 notes, and then the triplet, down, up, down, and then down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and so on. I always maintain the down, up, down, up, down, up pattern. Whether I'm going from, say, the 5th string to the 4th string, if I'm going down on the 5th string, I would go up on the 4th string, even though it's, as any scientist will tell you, that the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. And that's most certainly true, but we're not after that sort of thinking. We're after the rhythm of the tune, and you get the correct rhythm of the tune by maintaining the same that same pattern, the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. At least that's how I do it anyway. You may hear me slurring some notes. It's a technique that I use on the guitar, not so much on the banjo. Use it a little bit on the mandolin. And when I slur a note, I still maintain the down, up, down, up. Still maintain that down, up, down, up, down, up pattern. So the theory, the technique behind all of this is pretty basic. What makes it difficult is that reels are played up tempo, and that takes a fair bit of skill, and also it takes a fair bit of perseverance. You're not going to pick this up in a couple of easy lessons. It takes a lot of practice, a lot of years, but I can tell you, well worth the effort. Now, a couple of things about the gear that I'm using in this video. I'm using a Tortex. It's a 0.50 millimeter Tortex plectrum, quite brittle, which is much lighter than many guitar players would use. I find this gauge suits my needs, as using a thicker pick can offer a little bit too much resistance, which I don't want, particularly when I'm picking triplets. Of course, you want some resistance. You don't want to use a really, really, really light plectrum. I think somewhere around the house here I've got a 0.38 millimeter nylon plectrum, which is, very, very light. That offers absolutely no resistance. That's no good either. So I use a 0.50 millimeter Tortex plectrum. Plectrums are a little bit like toothpaste. A lot of it's personal choice, but that's what I use. When I'm playing in a bluegrass band, mandolin or guitar, I would use something around about 1 millimeter, because in that sort of music you're not playing picked triplets, so it's horses for courses. The strings I use are John Pierce light gauge phosphor bronze wound, and I don't receive any endorsement fees for any of this, so that's just the gear that I use. Now here's the tune played at a moderate tempo. It's a D tune. It's in the key of D, but I play it in the key of C, capo 2, and the chords that I use to back the tune are listed in the accompanying notes to this video. Of course, those chords also, they're in the key of C, so you would have to capo onto the second fret. If you want to play the chords in D without the capo, you might spend a bit of time and energy transposing from C to D. Anyway, here's the tune at a moderate tempo, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing with my picking hand.